In this video, we will discuss the another questions which is asked in your NEET 2023 exam. Okay, first we will see the questions, then we will try to find out the answer from your NCERT book. Okay, now what is the question? The question is given in Lassaigne extract of an organic compound, both nitrogens and sulfur are present, which give blood red color with Fe3 plus ion due to the formations of. Now means in Lassaigne extract, if nitrogens and sulfur both are present, then which will give the blood red color with Fe3 plus ion? You have given the 4 options. Okay. Now to find out the answers of these questions, we will move to NCERT book. Okay, so this is your NCERT book, organic chemistry, some basic principles and the technique. You know, this is your first chapters from your class 11. Okay, so this is your class 11 first chapter. To find out the answer of these questions, we will move to page number 354. Page number 354. In this page number 354, you can find out that is your 12.9. Here it is given, that is qualitative analysis of organic compound. In this qualitative analysis, here we basically detect the element qualitatively of the carbon, nitrogen, phosphorus, hydrogens, sulfur, if any element is present. Now in this 12.9, here the sub part that is given 12.92. here you can see that is detections of the others element. In this detections of the others element, here Lassaigne test is given. Now I am discuss Lassaigne test very short. Just what is the Lassaigne test? Just remember, Lassaigne test basically we use for detections of the nitrogen, sulfur, halogens and phosphorus if present in the organic compound. And as we use, first we will in Lassaigne test, first we will do fusioning using the sodium metal. Okay, fusing using the sodium metal. Why we use the why we have to do the fusion? Now fusions we have to do to convert this covalent bond to the ionic bond of this element. Basically in the organic compound, these elements are bonded covalently. First we have to convert this covalent bond to the ionic bond. That's why we have to do the sodium metal fusion. Okay, so as you can see, if nitrogen is present, it will form NaCN. If sulfur is present, it will form Na2S. If halogen is formed, it will form NaX. Then their individual detection test is given. In case of the nitrogens, we basically use iron sulfate for detections of the nitrogen using the concentrated sulfuric acid, and the final product will be the Prussian blue. Prussian blue many times asked in your competitive exam like JEE Main and NEET. In this exam, these questions is also asked. What is the molecular formula of the Prussian blue or Prussian blue? There are two types of iron is present, one Fe3 plus and another is Fe2 plus. Fe3 plus is your ionization sphere and Fe2 plus is your coordination sphere, and name is the Prussian blue is also called the ferricyanide. This is must remember, ferricyanide. This is also called the Prussian blue, and it is color is blue color. That's name is Prussian blue, and we use this compound for detections of the nitrogen. Next is your sulfur is given, and we use basically two reactions for detections of the sulfur. One is your reactions with the lead in presence of the acetic acid. Here it will form the lead sulfide black color PPT, and another we will do the sodium nitroprusside test. Another we will do sodium nitroprusside test. You can see that is your sulfurs will react with the sodium nitroprusside and it will give the violet color. Okay, now this is the most important from where question is set. Now here you can see, in case nitrogens and sulfur both are present in an organic compound. So here it is written directly, which is asked in your exam. You can see both nitrogens and sulfur are present. Okay, so now you can see here, so if nitrogens and sulfur both are present in an organic compound, sodium thiocyanate is formed? We just see, if suppose only nitrogen is present, then it will form NaCN, sodium cyanide. If sulphur is present, then it will form Na2S. If nitrogens and sulphur both are present in the organic compound, then it will form NaSCN, means it will form NaSCN, sodium thiocyanate, which will react with Fe3 plus ion and it will form FeSCN2 plus. So this complex basically form if sulphur and nitrogens both are present in the compound. So here you can see it's give blood red color and no Prussian blue. We know that if only nitrogen is present, then it will form NaCN. This NaCN will react with Fe2 plus ion, then further it will react Fe3 plus ion and it's give the Prussian blue color. Here it is written that if sulphur is also present, then it gives blood red color, no Prussian blue color, since there are no free cyanides ion. So means if sulphur is present, so in that case no cyanide, Cn minus ions is not free, so there NaSCN is formed. Okay, this sodium thiocyanates reacts with Fe3 plus ion and it will form FeSCN2 plus. So you can see this is this one, your FeSCN, this same thing is written in your option 3. So means for this questions answers will be option 3. I think is it clear to everyone? Thank you. We will see another questions in next video. Thank you.